We're gonna do one of the coolest cuts ever. I've been wanting to do this for ages and finally I found a victim. Maaike is here with an insane amount of hair. We're gonna do a Chelsea cut. It started in World War II actually, where women worked in a factory and they had long hair, but it was dangerous and hot. And that's where they decided to get short hair, but leave bangs, sideburns, and a little bit of hair in the neck. So it still looked feminine, soft, and something different. Later on, it was adopted by the skinhead and punk subculture in the 60s and 70s. And it's just an awesome cut. So, are you ready for it?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Me too. Let's go to work.
Woohoo.
Oh. Want to have some in-between fun? You can feel it. Zo hè. Well, that's it guys, we're done. Let's see if I can spin you around the full 360. I don't think so, no. She'll hit the camera otherwise. But what a cool cut. Here's the before and the after. You look like a punk star. So cool. Thank you for having the trust. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit all the buttons down here. Let me know what you think of the cut, because it's something different than what we do usual. And well, I love it.
So do I.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes, a little shock, but all worth it. See you in the next one.